Yo, hey Nomad, I'm back and I'm here in my favorite city, Denver, Colorado. And in this video, we're gonna find the best restaurants to eat when you're here in Denver. So if this is your first time here on this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button at the top. So let's do this, let's go, and let's explore. As you know, I'm a serious foodie and I love food. So our first stop is here at Watercourse. Watercourse food menu is simple, exquisite, and delicious. Watercourse is located in uptown Denver. So whenever you come here, you can sit outside here on the patio, or you can go in, and I'm about to chow down on these vegan nachos with chorizo and smoked jackfruit. It's gonna be delicious. Let's taste it. Oh, there you go. Look at there. Guys, do you see these vegan nachos? Oh, look at there, get into that. So the nachos here at Watercourse are absolutely amazing. Let me tell you, the cheese, melted, warm chips, smoked jackfruit, vegan chorizo, a green sauce, so tasty. Let's get into this. Let's dig in. That is, wow. Whoa, come here to Watercourse. Get the nachos, get me nachos. That's so delicious, y'all. So we're just now leaving Watercourse. The nachos were absolutely a banger, they were hit. And the nachos only cost $11. You can share those nachos with at least 2 or 3 people. So our next stop is City O City, which is another amazing vegan, vegetarian friendly restaurant. And our next stop is City O City. This bohemian hangout spot serves amazing vegetarian and vegan dishes alike. And we're about to go in and try some amazing food. So I've been here before and I had the seitan wrap with vegan mac and cheese. Y'all, it was so good. I'm about to go back again and we're gonna eat together. Let's go in to City O City. So our cauliflower tacos have arrived. We have a chorizo taco. Like, I can't even get this out because I already know these tacos are good by the way they look. So look at that right there. Smells good. Pickled onions, cilantro, aioli sauce. Let's dig in, let's bite, let's taste, let's go to work. As my dad would say, he'd say, boy, go to work on that food. And I'm about to go to work on this food. Let's dig in. Wow, a lot of flavor. Creamy. The slaw, the crunchiness of the slaw, the creaminess of the aioli, and the chorizo, cauliflower. That's good, y'all. Hope you enjoyed City O City, but we're not finished. We have more restaurants to see, food to eat, things to do here in Denver, Colorado. So let's go. So our next stop is the Corner Beat, located right here on 14th and Ogden. This airy industrial space is for vegetarians and vegans alike. I'm getting the French toast, which is vegan, and also the potatoes. Hopefully it's good. Let's go eat. Let's check out the Corner Beat. So the food is out. I got some vegan French toast bites with some blueberries, and I accidentally threw one of these potatoes in my mouth. Boy, these little potatoes right here, delicious. Corner beef? Yes, sir. Y'all got the best damn potatoes in the city. Let's continue to feast on these vegan French toast bites right here. Very cinnamon. I don't even know if that's a word. Cinnamon. I don't know. But these potatoes though, that's my favorite. The waffles are good, but these potatoes though. Wow. That's delicious. Alright guys, so our next stop is Root Down. This local neighborhood restaurant connects the locals with neighborhood friendly food. They have vegetarian, vegan, and raw options available for you. And another cool thing about Root Down, this used to be an old gas station that has been converted into a popular restaurant. So let's go in and check out Root Down Watercourse restaurant. Alright guys, so I made it to Root Down. This is my second time coming to this restaurant. On a weekend it's very packed, so I have to sit at the bar to introduce you to what I'm having. I'm having a vegan burrito. It has mole on the bottom. It has a lot of fresh vegetables, mushrooms in it. It has some potatoes around it. Check that out right there. Doesn't that look good? Man, I'm about to dig into this. Alright guys, first bite. It actually has tofu in it as well. Tofu and a lot of vegetables. Very filling, very hearty. You can actually share this with somebody. And next up is the Beatbox. Not like Beatbox, the Beatbox, but the Beatbox, a vegetable. This is an all plant-based restaurant and bakery, and I'm gonna try the avocado melt. Let's go try it out. So my avocado melt has arrived. So this is a sliced avocado with cashew cheese, tomatoes, onions, arugula on a country pressed bun. That sounds like some stuff that we would say in the south of Texas, a country bun. So I'm going ahead and dig in like this. That tastes like something straight from my grandma's garden when she had a garden. Everything's very fresh. The arugula makes it really great, very peppery, and the cashew cream cheese is creamy, and also creaminess with the avocado and the cashew cheese makes a perfect combination. I'm sorry guys, that's delicious. So we finished up our restaurant tour here in Denver, Colorado. So if you love this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button at the top, and make sure you hit that like button and tell me what's up in the comments. Hope you love this video, and also if you're looking for another video about things to do here in Denver, check out this video as well. Until next time guys, peace.